All right, welcome back here to Surplus System. My name is Charlie, owner of the platform here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. And if you're brand new, welcome aboard, right? But in today's video, I kind of want to walk you guys through some skip tracing things that, came up in my mind. And I thought I'd create and automate part of that process, right? So what happens is this, right? When you get your list skip trace and you do your outreach, right? You have no way to look at the data to determine if you have a good skip tracer or not, right? So what I did was I actually went and built something which will allow me to measure when we have good numbers, when we have bad numbers, and be able to look at the data, and the data tell me if I need to go and use a better skip tracer, okay? So if I scroll down here, right here, you're going to see verified skip tracing. Verified skip trace and non-verified skip trace. Okay. Now, the way that this actually works inside of the system is if I come here to contacts and let's say I just click here on a random contract right here. Let's say, for an example, I contact this person and I find out that it's a bad phone number. Okay. So then what I'm gonna do is I come down here to actions, phone status, I do bad number. And what that's going to do is that's automatically going to update my pipeline for verified versus non-verified, right? So I say I come to this lead here, and you know what? I say, you know what? The phone status is a good working number. We got in touch with the right person, good working number, bam, right? And I say I'm working another lead, and I find out that it's a bad number. And then that's how I work another lead, and I find out that that is a good number. So then, okay, yeah, really good number. So now when I do that, if I come into my dashboard, and if I scroll down here, I'll be able to see here, out of all my phone numbers, right? Out of all my lists so far, I have 52, that's a good verified number, and I have 2, that's a non-verified number. So this right here actually tells me, hey, Charlie, you're using a really, really good skip tracer. Keep using that skip tracer. But if this was the opposite, this will actually tell me, hey, go look for a better skip tracer. But the problem is if I don't have this in front of me, how will I ever know if I'm using the right skip tracer, right? So look, I highly recommend you guys start figuring out a way that you can look at your skip tracing data in a way where it tells you if it's good or if it's bad. If it's bad, then let me go get a new skip tracer. If it's good, then look, you're fine. Continue to stick with your current skip tracer if it's producing what you needed to look for, right? But hey, look, if you're using a GHL platform or if you're using Access Elite and you want this built inside of your system, just shoot me a comment down below and we could talk about what it looks like for me to build this for you. If you're new to the business and you need some help getting started, you can actually join my free group down below and you get access to all my courses, right? My surplus fund course, my pre-foreclosure course, all the SOPs that I use in my business. And then I also introduce you to some training on what you can do to actually automate your business, all right? But hey, this is Charlie with Surplus System, and guess what? I'm out.